Hello everyone, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. So today is another beautiful tutorial that we are going to go into, and I'm so happy to make this tutorial. So guys, if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, you are welcome. This is Knitting Catalog, where we have fun in knitting. You need to subscribe and hit the bell button for notification at any time I make a new video. And to my existing subscriber, thank you so much guys, I really appreciate. So today we are going to go into tutorial on how to use this is Magic Cam. And I want to say, if you open your accessory box and you find something like this and you are wondering what is this, because here in this other part we usually buy machine that is being used overseas. At times we don't find this, and this is not applicable to some brother knitting machine. They have some models that have this accessory inside their accessory box. So it's not every machine that can use this. It's not every brother knitting machine that have it. But if you open your accessory box and you find this, that's great. This is how to use this. So I said earlier that is Magic Cam. This is Magic Cam for brother knitting machine. And here, is 24 stitches Magic Cam. This is for 24 stitches. That is, your punch card is 24 stitches, and if you use this, what you have in your punch card is going to appear where you are using this. And if you want more than 24 stitches pattern to appear in your project, you have to get this, because all of these are inside. And I said earlier, if you are getting second hand, you may not find the complete accessory inside. This is for 48 stitches pattern. This, so you click it this way, and this way. So now you have 48 stitches. So your punch card is going to appear 2 times here, because punch card is 24 stitches. So this is 48, we make it double. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to use this. So I've already cast on. That's the first thing to do. If you are knitting with your project, you cast on and find where you want to use this. You have to think about where this is going to appear in your project and place it around that place. So here is my punch card. You fix your punch card the way we fix punch card on your knitting machine, and you clip it, you put it on hold. So you can see my carriage at this side, guys. You can see my carriage at this side. So, and when you are knitting with brother knitting machine, your carriage have to be at the left side before giving information to your machine you want to knit in punch card. The beauty of this is to have more plain, and this is being coming up. So if I'm going to use this, let's say this is a baby sweater and I want it to appear at the center of the sweater. So I'm going to arrange it in a way that I'm going to have same needle here and same needle here with this 48 stitches Magic Cam. And if I just want it by the side of the sweater, I'm going to go for this by dividing my work center zero here, and thinking about armhole shaping or v-neck shaping. I'm going to relate that to using of this and place it where I want to use it. Just placing it and arrange your needle. This is going to give me plain. Where these 24 needles are, they are going to give me punch card design, and this is giving me plain. So that's how to reason it on how to use it. So you can decide to make your punch card knitting appear at the center, by the side, at the right side, or at the left side. So that's the beauty of using this. So guys, this is 40 by 40 here, and I'm going to think about how I'm going to use this. Where did I want it to appear? So I'm going to fix the 24 stitches at this area, because let's say this is baby sweater. 40 by 40 is what I cast on, and I want it to appear at the left side, and I'm going to make sure I fix this here, considering the neck shaping, armhole shaping. So I'm going to look at what I have here. So this is where the center zero is. This is half right now. This is half. So, and this is half of this side. So I'm going to think about all what I've mentioned earlier and, fix this here. Just place it and let it clip inside. So that's it. You don't have anything to touch down. Place it here. So I'm going to push this back. So I'm going to have this as plain, and this 24 needles here is going to be giving me what is inside the punch card. So back to carriage, how to set your carriage for this magic cam knitting. So you know that this is plain right now, plain knitting, and if I turn it this way is knitting in punch card. But using magic cam with this right now, I have to turn it to this too. This Japanese language up here is where I'm going to turn it to. We have here as punch card knitting ordinarily, and this up here is for using your magic cam to knit. So I'm going to turn it like this, and this mark here, this red mark, supposed to be pointing to this, but I don't know what happened. My machine is pointing down, but I know that this is what it means. I'm knitting in magic cam. So this is magic cam setting right now, guys. You need to fix it here and knit one row where your punch card is on hold. My punch card is on hold here. You can see it. My punch card is on hold. I'm going to knit one row right now. So going. So that's it. You can see what we have here. And another thing is, if your punch card have beginning, you have to set your punch card to the beginning of the pattern, so that it's forming a style at one side of your project. So you won't like to have half pattern at the down part or half pattern at the up part. Managing the shape of your punch card or shape of your pattern in your punch card still make the project beautiful. So this is what we have right now. I'm going to go ahead right now and open my punch card to small and press the center button. So after opening your punch card, you need to introduce your second yarn. So this is my second yarn. I'm introducing it here right now, and I've already pressed this, and I'm going to start to knit. You can set your row counter and start to knit. That's all what you need. And when you plan your project, you know where you want to stop, you know how you want to go about it. So let's see how to do this, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and be knitting. So that's it. So I'm going to off all the punch card setting. That's it. And knit few rows right now. So guys, you can see what we have. This is how it will look like, with any punch card that you choose. So this is what you will see. This is 24 stitches of punch card knitting of this pattern, and this is how it will be at any side of the project that you choose to place the magic cam. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye.